To connect cPanel to Visual Studio Code for seamless file management and editing, follow these steps. Enable SSH access on cPanel. Log into your cPanel account. Under the Security section, click on SSH access. If SSH is disabled, enable it by following the instructions provided, and generate a new SSH key pair. Generate SSH keys in cPanel. In the SSH access section, create a new key. Download the private key to your local machine. Configure SSH on VSCode. Install the remote SSH extension in VSCode. Open VSCode and go to the Extensions tab. Search for Remote SSH and install it. Press F1 in VSCode. Type Remote SSH, connect to host, and select Add new SSH host. Enter the SSH details for your cPanel server, such as the hostname, user, and path to your private key. Connect to cPanel. After configuration, use the Remote SSH Connect to Host option from the command palette in VS Code to connect to your server. Once connected, you can open and edit files directly from your cPanel server in VS Code.